Hello, we are Tarantula Gear and we present you our new EDC pouch. The EDC pouch is waterproof to ensure its long-term use in a humid environment. It is a small bag with large capacity. There is MOLLE reinforcement attachment straps for extra versatility over here. Here you have it with Velcro for service pouches. And here you have the MOLLE so you can attach it to a bag or a MOLLE system. It has a clamp opening to ensure access to all the gear. You just open it like this and it opens like a clamp. Inside there's a closed pocket and it's covered with rubber straps. I have here a pocket knife, some cord, fire seal, and in a closed pocket inside I have this saw chain for survival emergencies. I have here a tactical pen. There's rubber on the pocket. I have here a multi-tool and another multi-tool. There is also a drop-down mesh pocket for small items. Just here, it's secured with Velcro, just like this. You open it up. There's a mesh pocket in here. You open it up and it's for smaller items like a fishing kit, sewing kit, knife sharpener, flashlight, and a little compass. Over here we have extra rubber. I have here a lighter, some char cloth, an emergency whistle, my fire striker. Over here there's a zipper that inside you can store documents or medical supplies. Here I have an emergency blanket. I have some bandages. I have some alcohol wipes. Again, you can attach this pouch to any belt or MOLLE system. It also manufactured and designed in Israel. You can get it in black just like this model. Another cool feature is that it has this handle that you can take it around if it's not on the MOLLE system. The materials on this is Cordura 1000 nylon. The plastic elements are by ITW Nexus. There are YKK zippers. Thank you for watching and see you next time.